whatever thing, kayaking करना और रेड चिलीज, राफ्टिंग करना और रेड चिलीज. Good morning, guys. This is the final episode of the Himachal and Uttarakhand series, and today it's coming to an end. At Camp Majestic right now, sipping a tea, a cup of tea, and इसके बाद सबसे ज़बरदस्त वाला चीज़ तो आज just होने वाला है आज, which is the rafting part of it. We are doing river rafting. Myself, Vaibhavi, and Shiva. We three are going to do river rafting and this is going to be fun for sure यार. मतलब मैंने किया river rafting but गंगा में river rafting करने का फील ही अलग है बॉस. तो वो आज हम करेंगे और इसके बाद थोड़ा ऋषिकेश में थोड़े जगह घूमेंगे. अगर टाइम परमिट्स हम पूजा वगैरह भी, जो आरती होती है शाम को गंगा में, वो वाला भी देखेंगे. So we have planned things but टाइम अगर हो तो हम सब करेंगे, नहीं तो हमको जाना है वापस देहरादून. वी हैव टू रीच देहरादून एंड टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी हैव अ फ्लाइट टू कैच टू मुंबई. मी एंड Vaibhavi will get back to our regular schedule from tomorrow. है ना? But it's kind of sad, but क्या करें, लाइफ ऐसी है. ठीक है, तो अब जाते हैं राफ्टिंग के पास पहुंच के. I will continue the vlog there. Cheers.
Okay, now you guys are ready?
We are all ready.
Please, hop in.
We're at the location right now. And that's where we're gonna start. अब थोड़ा सा पहनेंगे. अभी क्या क्या पहनना है हमको?
Wetsuit, dry jacket, life jacket, helmets, pedals, lots of things.
Lot of things. So let's gear up फटाफट and then. Our red chili adventure raft is here. Oh, the sand is so nice. This is an experience for life, guys. You guys must do it. Come to Red Chilies for whatever thing. Kayaking करना और Red Chilies, rafting करना और Red Chilies. just sitting idle and these guys are like पूरा मेहनत चलो 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 चप्पू चला मजदूरी तो हम कर रहे हैं. He's a very experienced person.
Hi.
And Prem.
Hello.
Prem actually taught me how to actually climb. And he actually did it and showed it to us. कि अगर पानी में गिर जाओ तो खुद से ऊपर कैसे आना without anybody's help. And that's something Prem taught me. Thanks Prem. And अपने superstar, yes, he is the one who did the cliff jumping with a kayak. Who does that, man? Nobody does that. I've not seen something like that. Guys, this is Ram Jhula, very famous. But people, madness. They don't know to drive or ride. You know where we are going right now? Guess the song. Hey Jude, oh make me back. Take a sad song and make it better. Guess the song, guess the band. It's Hey Jude from the Beatles. We are right now going to the Beatles Ashram. I'm super excited to see it. Here we are at the Beatles Ashram. This is the entrance. Indians have to pay $150. Foreigners have to pay $600, and senior citizens have different. You guys can check this thing. FYI, you cannot carry drones over here. You can carry small cameras like a GoPro, which I'm using. You like big tripods and stuff like that. You cannot really take it inside. So please make a note of it. Chaurasi Kutia, Rajaji Tiger Reserve. Is this a tiger reserve? I didn't really know this. And what you see over there, all are like these types the places where you can actually meditate. I think in the year 1968, Beatles, the band Beatles, they came over here. They were living over here for 3 months. This looks like a proper ruin, man. We are right now at the Little Buddha Cafe, and this is the entrance. We're gonna get inside. We're just waiting for he's right here. We're waiting for Shiva. He'd gone to park his bike. The best part about this cafe is the view. You wanna see this? Directly see Ganga from here while you're sitting. Also, now I've ordered for a pizza. This is good. I like the pizza. On the way to Ganga Aarti at Parmarth Niketan. यार last चीज़ है ये इस पूरे series का. I wanted to see this Aarti. It's a very special one. So we are on the way. I'll reach there and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm back to Dehradun after a really long trip. So the final episode of the series is going to come to an end. Let me tell you, this was a wonderful experience what I've had in Himachal as well as Uttarakhand. Before I end, I would want to tell about today's day. Today's day was like crazy, man. Like लास्ट में आरती देख ली, थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ भी हम चले गए. उसके पहले हमने ऋषिकेश गए, थोड़े एक आश्रम गए. ऋषिकेश में अपना राफ्टिंग किया. राफ्टिंग वाज द बेस्ट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस पॉसिबल. व्हाट डू यू थिंक ब्रो?
I've done rafting I think 4-5 times now. What we did today was something I've never got an experience.
Yeah. So exactly, and it's all because of him. This whole trip of Uttarakhand was because of Shiva. I really want to thank you, bro, for whatever you've done for this trip. But yeah, man, superb journey, amazing stuff. Whatever happened, just make sure that you guys watch the whole series. If you guys have not watched it, it's gonna be worthwhile. So tomorrow morning, I'm heading back to Mumbai, and my regular life starts. My regular motor vlogging to different short places on a Sunday ride starts. That's what's gonna happen now. But yes, man, I loved this whole trip. Once again, cheers to that. Please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, because 90 Miles commits to release a vlog every Tuesday at 6 p.m. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys as always.